Hi and welcome to the vlog. Currently in Curdworth at the moment, walking the dogs around the canal pools at the bottom of Curdworth locks. But I'm not actually in Curdworth, I'm a bit out of it, just down from Fazeley basically, on the Birmingham Fazeley canal. Yeah, I've been trading on the canals for a couple of months now, not really working out unfortunately. Also been trading down in Saul Marina on the Gloucester and Sharpness canal, where I've been really busy. So oh, there's the wind. I came out, the sun was shining, there was no wind, so I didn't bring the microphone to stop the wind, and I only wore a fleece jacket since it's peed down with rain and we've had a mini tornado. Oh, just not my day. Anyway, so where was I? Yes, I've been trading on the canals for a couple of months now. Not really working out. Been down to Gloucester Sharpness. Oh, boys. And yeah, so I've been doing 2 weeks on the Gloucester Sharpness, mainly at Saul Marina and along the canal, fixing boats, and then loading the kit into the car because I can't bring the van because I've got to leave it for 2 weeks on the side of the canal. I'm a bit worried it'll get broken into, so I've got an old car, a state car. So that's jam-packed. And then having to find a place on the boat where I can load all the parts from the boat, from the car into the boat, which isn't always easy. Look at this, eh? Curdworth bottom lock, canal pools, nice. Yeah, so it's just doing me wicking basically, and I'm losing customers from the Saul Marina and Gloucester Sharpness because I haven't been available to do the work, so they've had to go elsewhere. Also, there's got a few people which have questionable qualifications turned up, doing work on boats. I actually sort of worked on a boat the other day, which one chap who I shan't name obviously, I'd been working on, and he could have sank the boat. So they were friends of mine, and the only reason he got the job is because he was available and I wasn't. So yeah, the actual propeller disconnected from the prop shafts disconnected from the gearbox. Luckily they were going forward at the time, otherwise I would have shot out the back of the boat and sank the boat. So yeah, big influx of unqualified personnel down there at the moment, so hopefully go back and combat a bit of that, start taking a bit more work on. Bit of advice, these so-called rogue traders, as I call them, who haven't got any kind of qualifications for the job they're doing. Well, they may have. I mean, some of them, you know, might be like most of them are just kind of have-a-go handymen, who aren't insured, aren't registered, self-employed. You know, a bit of cash in your hand, service for £30, and you buy the filters. All sounds good until it goes wrong. Yeah, best way to recognise them is they usually, I find anyway, is they'll turn up to work on your boat. They don't have any kind of insignia or you know anything on their clothes, work clothes. Just be a tatty old pair of jeans and a bloody and a jumper. I mean, there are good engineers who dress like that, but I always seem to think that always seems to be the cowboys that turn up dressed that way. Let's have a sit down. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look, this is canal ponds, lovely. And yes, so yeah, so I'm going to go down and do a bit of work. Boys are fine, aren't you? You alright, Spike? Yeah, and combat this. Yeah, so if you have anybody does any work on your boat, make sure 100% ask for a copy of their liability insurance, because if they do any work on your boat and your boat sinks or catches fire or whatever, you'll lose your boat. The insurance company won't pay out. So it's quite a serious thing. So if anybody does work on your boat, before you start, can I please have a copy of your liability insurance, or please can you prove your liability insurance? Otherwise you'll well, you're gonna risk losing your boat. Anyway, that's enough of that. Plans are I'm at the bottom of the Curdworth flight, which is 11 locks, on the Birmingham Fazeley Canal, and I'm currently, like I say, on my way down to the Gloucester Sharpness. I should be doing the Birmingham Fazeley Canal into Gas Street Basin in the centre of Birmingham, hooking a left and going down the Worcester Birmingham Canal, down to Worcester, and then joining the River Severn, down to Gloucester, onto the Gloucester Sharpness Canal. I shall be vlogging it all on the way down. First lot will be, next video I imagine will be going from here to kind of Minsworth, something like that. The Curdworth flight and the Minsworth flight, which is Curdworth flight's 11 locks, Minsworth flight is only 3 locks, and then that will take us under the motorway into Birmingham. And then the next vlog will probably be the Aston flight and the Farmers flight locks, which is yeah, it's in the suburbs of Birmingham, so it's graffiti town. It's like boating through the Bronx basically. So yeah, we won't be hanging about on that one. That'll be an early start and an early finish. So before the chavs come out and start chucking stones at you and that. Certainly won't be spending overnight there. So get my window smashed on my boat. I've had enough of that this year. Yeah, and then we'll be heading down to Worcester, Birmingham, stopping at a few pubs on the way, and down to Worcester, and then heading down the lovely River Severn. And then I shall be vlogging from the Gloucester Sharpness Canal for the rest of the year. Take you around, show you all the nice pubs down there, the 3 horseshoes, lots of nice pubs. Yeah, just doing a bit of a few vlogs about the Gloucester Sharpness Canal, and then hopefully heading back up in the winter, see what happens. So yeah, so that's basically what's happening with the channel. I've had a haircut, good isn't it, eh? God bloody, it's so much easier in the morning now. It's God, no more hair around the plug hole. Pump doesn't jam up with hair. I might have to vacuum every 5 seconds. I swear I'm not bald, the amount of hair was coming at me. So yeah, so that's what we're doing with the channel. Stay tuned, please like and subscribe to catch the new videos. Oh, and some friends of mine, Fran and Martin, they've started a channel as well. They're having a new narrowboat built. So if you're interested on how to build a narrowboat, how to fit it out, they're having one built brand new. They're getting a sail away, which is basically the shell, and they're gonna. Martin's a very talented man. He's also a marine electrician, amongst other things, services Webastos, etc. And he's also trained to be a boat safety engineer at the moment, so he'll be able to do your boat safety if anyone's in the southwest and wants boat safety doing soon. It's Kingfisher Marine is his number. I'll put a they've got a YouTube channel and they're documenting everything. They're doing they're traveling in their camper van weekends. They're doing really well. Martin's doing some fantastic videos. I really enjoy watching them, and he's going to document the building of his boat. So like I say, if you're interested in seeing a narrowboat start from a piece of sheet steel up into a home, that's a really good channel to watch. And I think their channel is called Boat Living Van Travellers. It's this here. I should insert the title here. And I'll put a link in the description of the video if you would like to subscribe to their channel. I'm sure it would mean a lot to them because they're really enthusiastic with the channel, and the content they're putting out, it just gets better and better every video. So yeah, okay, I'll leave it at that. I'm just going to go back to the boat. I'll show you a little picture of the boat in a minute, and then normal vlogging will resume next week, I would think, by the time I've done got some footage and edited it. So stay safe, look after yourself, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Here is Canal Pools. Loads of lakes around here. It's a bit of a twitcher's paradise. There's loads of bird watching going on. There's a good old narrowboat dodger, and this is the Birmingham Fazeley Canal, and there is the beginning of the Curdworth lock flight. 11 locks in total, and I shall be residing at the Boat Inn in Minsworth tonight. That shall be where the ale shall be taken on board. Thanks for watching.